Did you know Johor Bahru is positioning itself as the next big property hotspot in Asia? Just a minute away from Singapore, JB is seeing billions in infrastructure, the RTS Link and the Special Economic Zone deal.
And right now, there's one land standing tall above the others. ARDEN Serviced Residence, an iconic new development that blends investment, lifestyle, and luxury all together.
Located right at the gateway to Singapore, ARDEN is more than just another condo. It is part of a 7.65 acres integrated master plan, featuring a shopping mall, branded residence, hotel, and entertainment.
Developed by Astaka, Padu, and also Kimlun, ARDEN's residence is built on a freehold land with 68 story and also 618 residential units. Singapore is less than 5 minutes away with RTS ready by the year of 2026. For Johor area, it has attracted 60 million tourists in 2023, targeted to hit 20 million by the year of 2026. The new Johor Singapore Special Economic Zone will unblock business mobility and cross-border demand, creating stronger rental and capital appreciation opportunities. This is why international and local investors, MM2H applicants, and also expats are eyeing at Johor again, this time with real fundamentals.
There are 3 types of unit in the ARDENs: 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and the premium 4-bedrooms unit. ARDEN's residents come with hotel-graded facilities. Level 8 and 9 are leisure plus lifestyle floors, gym, yoga, kids fun gym, outdoors pool, business center, golf simulator, book club, entertainment room. Level 50 come with sky lounge, cigar lounge, wine parlour, cinema, karaoke, and sky dining. And level 68 are sky garden, urban farming, herbs gardens, sunset deck, sky yoga. ARDEN residents also come with concierge and one-stop management, serve you with parcel delivery, laundry, private chef, transport arrangement. This isn't just a condo, it is a lifestyle ecosystem that competes head-on with a 5-star hotels. And now, let us go to the show unit. Welcome to ARDEN's Residence Type A show units. This is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, come with about 800 square feet, 74 square meter. Let's come to this unit. So this is a very simple and practical layout. Once you come in, this is your foyer area. And you can see the tiles provide you with the marble tiles. It's a 3x3 marble tiles. And you can see this is an open kitchen area. That after you do this open kitchen, you got a bigger space for your living area and your family area. So as I say, this is a very simple layout. So the center is your family area. And for your room is separate into 2 sides. On my right hand side here, this is your master bedroom. And you can see the master bedroom, you are able to fit in the king size bed. And you got a spacious wardrobe area over here. And even you can put a makeup table at this place. And here is your toilet. So this unit is suitable for those if you want to buy for your purchase for your holiday home, or you just want to you just got not much family member, just a family member of maybe 2 or 3. This unit is good for you. And you come. This is another room. This is a toilet. And here is your middle room. So you can see after we fit in the queen size bed, and there's still some space over here and over there. So this is a premium development in the JB area. So if you want to know more details about this property, you can let me know. So click the WhatsApp link below and I will send you more information.
So now we are at the Type B unit layout of ARDEN's Residence. So for this particular layout, it will come with the size of 1,140 square feet, which is equivalent to 106 square meter. So let us head on to the show unit itself. So once we enter the show unit, right, so the skilling is 1-on-1, so the exact unit will be the same size like this. So this is the foyer area before your main entrance. As you can see, it will come with the marble flooring. So now once we enter further right, you can see that clearly it will come with the 20 feet width of the dining and also living hall all together. Okay, so you can easily put on a 6-seater dining table at the back of your sofa and also have a very comfortable and sizable living hall for your family and friends. So here is the kitchen part of this particular layout. So you can see that it comes with the clear demarcation of the dry kitchen and also wet kitchen inside. So every furnishing that we see in this show unit, right, it is for display purpose, but there is always optional renovation package to choose from to ease the hassle for all the home buyers for the renovation part. So at my left hand side will be the yard area of this particular unit. Alright, so this is for the kitchen part. So once we come out and enter the living hall and also the dining area, there are bedrooms at our left hand side and also right hand side, and this one is what we call the butterfly layouts, which save a lot on the corridor space. So it has more usable space compared to other type of unit layouts. Okay, alright, so once we go further here, so this is the space for the master bedroom. Okay, so for master bedroom, definitely it can easily fit in a king size bed with bedside table at the side. And of course, for this master bedroom, right, it will come with the dedicated master bathroom over here. Okay, so this is the master bathroom. So for the master bathroom, if you want to fit in your bathtub, it is also possible. So you can enjoy your time after a tiring day, after your work. Alright, so the other two rooms will be located at one side, tucked with the common bathroom in the between. Okay, so this is the area for the medium room. Okay, for the medium room, like you can easily fit in the wardrobe and also the queen size. Even if you want to fit in a king size bed, it is also possible. Alright, so once we go further inside here, this one will be the small room. Although being a small room, but then the size of this particular rooms is also big enough to fit in a queen size bed and king size if possible also. Okay, and you can see that the window profile for each of the rooms, right, is very big. It's very big, so to enable enough light penetration to the units, and also all the glass given will be sound reduction and heat reductions. So you can see that for this particular spec, right, it's very nice for all the parts of this particular unit. And this one is the common bathrooms. Okay, so you can see that every details is there. So the tiles color and also the fittings, it's very nice. This is a show unit of 1140 square feet unit. So if you are interested in this particular unit layout, you can always click in the link below and our dedicated team will send you more info.
If you want to get more information about this premium development, click the WhatsApp link below and we will send you more information.